Welcome to the Enclave at Independence Ridge, a community with the perfect blend of spacious and convenient living on quarter to half-acre home sites. The surrounding tree line bordering many sites provides both privacy and tranquility. Enjoy a rural feel without compromising access to popular restaurants, shopping centers, and downtown Lancaster just minutes away. Conveniently located off Centerville Road, homeowners have easy access to routes 30, 283, 222, and 272. Enclave at Independence Ridge is tucked behind an existing neighborhood, so traffic is minimal, creating a peaceful environment with access to Stony Battery Road. Enclave at Independence Ridge offers a variety of floor plans, ensuring your dream home becomes a reality while maximizing your ability to customize your living space. Keystone provides the assistance of friendly and experienced professionals who are here to guide you every step of your home building journey. With an ideal location in the sought-after Hempfield Area School District and the freedom to create the home you've always wanted, Enclave at Independence Ridge is the perfect place to call home. Build your dream home at the Enclave at Independence Ridge.